Jericho, Arab city in the South Jordan Valley at the junction of major north, south, and east-west arteries. It is considered the oldest city in the world and the lowest point on earth, 250 meters below sea level. It is the first place conquered by Joshua after crossing the Jordan. The Tel Jericho site of ancient Jericho, Tel al-Sultan, is northwest of the present city. Record habitation goes back to prehistoric Natufian culture of 11th to 9th century BCE. In 8000 BCE, Neolithic Jericho was a city of 2,000 protected by fortifications. In the many excavations on the site, finds include a round tower from pre-pottery Neolithic period, tombs from the Chalcolithic period, walls from early and Middle Bronze Ages and ensuing periods. These walls may have in fact been the ones destroyed by Joshua's trumpet blasts, since destroyed sections have been unearthed bearing no traces of battle damage. It has a desert climate, but abundant water sources give it the character of an oasis.